Catch integrity error in Django admin. Working with Django 1.4. I would like to catch an integrity error when a user does enter a duplicate value. At this moment the application just shows the default Django error page. Debug equals true. Model. Admin. Form. At this moment I get an error page showing a validation error instead of an integrity error, which makes perfect sense. How would I be able to properly catch the integrity error and show it at the top of the Django admin page? Update. I noticed there was a form in there to check if foo.parent.var.identifier matches foo.var.identifier. When I remove the form from the view admin, the error handling works as expected. So I guess the question here would be, how do I check if the parents match when saving the admin form?
You shouldn't try to handle this in the save_model method. The admin view expects the save_model method to succeed, so does not handle integrity or validation errors. If the save_model method is raising integrity error, then the problem is probably somewhere else. I think your problem is that you have forgotten to call the parent class clean method when you overrode it. This prevents the form from validating the unique field. See the warning in the docs for more info.
Or some June may write, on_delete equals models.do_nothing.